Everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, and I'm back with today's giveaway. And today I'm giving away 4 of my handmade cards. Some of them have been used on tutorials, some of them I have just had in my collection for a while. So we have this gorgeous beautiful you one, an avant-garde, and then this one with just a lovely bow on it, gorgeous just happy birthday. And then one that has a die embossing folder, and it's just cut out, I should say, and just a lovely little flower on there. So that's today's giveaway. So let's find out who the lucky winner is. We had a winner come forward yesterday. We've still got 2 outstanding, so please check your tickets. 110 has been claimed. We have number 31 and 26. So have a look back on your messages in YouTube, because every day I send you raffle tickets if you have commented and are a subscriber. So lots of fun. We've still got a lot of days left in this month, and lots of you have got tickets in here. So without further ado, look at all these. Look at these. All your lovely comments have got you all of these chances. So we're going to have a little swish around. And what number do we have today? So today's winner is number 68. So please have a look back on your messages to see if you are the lucky winner of these 4 cards. So thank you all for watching. To take part in my giveaway, you just have to be a subscriber and comment and watch my videos. And for each comment, you will get a raffle ticket put in this lucky bowl. So thank you for watching. Have a lovely rest of Sunday, what's left of it. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.